Toma market is becoming interesting as the day goes by. So you cannot double your Toma allocation by doing this. So welcome everyone to Digital. This is your first time of coming across my channel. You can be rest assured you are going to get value for your time. So do well to subscribe and like our video. And more importantly, having access to the right information on airdrop, trading, and crypto is a key factor in making money online. There are a lot of opportunity you've actually lost because you don't get the right information at the right time. So reason why you need to join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Link to my Telegram channel is in the comment section of this video. Now let's come to tomato. So there's no doubt Toma market or tomato will be listing on the 28th or the 20th of December. So that one is sealed and settled. Now, there's something very intriguing about tomato. If you look at, I believe you come across this, the amount of token they promise to give to the community is 80%. 30% Toma belongs to the community. Out of this, 30% has been given out to the community during TGE, the last TGE. And we still have this part, that's the green part. They said available now. That is what you can still get. Then they said the 80% that will be given to community, 63% will be given out before listing. Now, if you do the calculation, 30% will be given out plus 2% for early adopter, making 33 and 63%. That means we still have 30% of Toma to go. Are you seeing what I've seen? So that means there is every possibility for you to still double the amount of tomato you've gotten. That is just a fact. That is just the truth. Now, if you look at the last message, the message they posted, they said airdrop will determine the allocation you will get. That's the new message they drop, will be determined by your level. That means your level will determine the final airdrop you will be getting from the remaining 30%. And if you look at what we have here, it said key to airdrop, level, and activity. Then let's check the activities we have here. So there are 4 ways by which you can actually double your Toma token. So the first one is here. So which is through referral. So they are about to share this. That is 10 billion Toma coin. So you can see the thing is reducing. As you refer more people, you're going to be getting more Toma. So that's the first one. So just one person that entered and look at how much I earned from it. So that's number 1. Then number 2 is by performing your tax. If you look at the tax section here, so your tax section, you can actually carry out all these tax. If you gain more Toma, tomato here, you can convert it to star, and your star will automatically be converted to tomato. Then other things are here that you can actually do from the tax section, the daily combo. Then if you look at the bonus star here, tax here, you can actually come here and carry out this, and it will be converted to Toma token immediately. So that's the second one. Then the third one by which you can actually make something here is by playing this game. So though I don't like playing it, I have like 301 game to play. So you can actually play. Then you can also come here and farm this tomato. You get the point now. So that's the another way by which you can farm. Then the last way by which you can actually increase your Toma is by coming here. So when you come here, you just click here. So here you'll be given 1 free spin per day. So you can use it. Then you can also invest money by coming here. You come to more. So when you come to more, you can come here and spin. That one you need star. So let's try it out. So you can see I got 14 stars. So you can just come here and just play around what you have here. I think this is one of the fastest way to actually increase your stars or your allocation in tomato. So then when you are done with that, you can come here, the weekly reward. So when you come to the weekly reward, you can actually see that, look at what the Toma that I can actually claim at the end of this week. So by next week, I'll be able to claim that. So this was what I got last week. Then more importantly, don't forget to come to your level and level up, and upgrade. So the star you've gotten, so I have 78 star now, then I can use it to level up. You get the point. So I need this now to move to diamond 2. So my final target is here. If I'm able to get to this place before listing, which is the 20th, then I'm done. So that's just a simple one to actually increase your Toma allocation. And to me, I think it's worth it to actually spend money on tomato. Here is why. So far so good. I've been allocated that's 2 million plus in Toma, that the tomato that I have presently here. Then if you combine it with this one now, that's roughly 2.4 million tomato. And if you look at the market price, so the pre-market price of tomato is this, and I think they're actually trying to do like, you can see tomato and Toma points. So but the pre-market price is this, and currently I have 2.4 million token. So if you multiply it by the current pre-market price, you can see I'm in huge. So if you multiply it, I think I have like $720, and the amount I actually spent so far on tomato to get me that point is around $150. That's close to $150. So if I can get something like this, that's like times 5 return of investment. I think it's worth me actually spending money on. So it's not a financial advice. Do your own research. See you next time for more exciting updates. Do well to like, subscribe, and make sure you join my Telegram channel.